Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy oil in Interactive Brokers. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand how to trade oil efficiently on this platform. First, you will need to log into your Interactive Brokers account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one and complete the required verification steps. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trading section of the platform. You will find various options available for trading commodities, including oil. Next, you should type the specific oil product you want to buy into the search bar. For instance, you can look for WTI crude oil or Brent crude oil. Once you select the oil product, you will see the current market details, including the price and relevant charts. To proceed, enter the number of contracts or units you wish to purchase and review the order details before confirming. Finally, after you place your order, make sure to monitor your position. You can check market trends, set stop-loss orders, or adjust your positions based on market movements. Keep in mind that trading oil can be volatile, so staying informed and having a solid strategy is crucial. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy trading.